In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a coupon box in your shopping cart, fast and easy. This is a great way to encourage your customers to use discount codes, boosting your sales and enhancing their shopping experience. Now let's dive into the step-by-step process. We begin by accessing your WordPress dashboard. Once you're signed in, you're going to navigate directly to your dashboard. This is your central hub, where you can manage all settings related to your website. From the dashboard, look for the Woocommerce option on the left-hand side menu. Woocommerce is the powerful plugin that handles your online store, allowing you to manage products, payments, and all things e-commerce. After clicking on Woocommerce, you'll want to direct your attention to the Settings option. This area is crucial, as it houses all the configurations you need for your store, including enabling various features. Clicking on Settings takes you to another section, where you're going to select the General tab. This is where we can modify the basic settings for your store. Within the General settings, you'll find an option to enable coupons. Look for the checkbox labeled Enable Coupons. By checking this box, you're allowing your customers to enter discount codes during their checkout process. Make sure you save your changes before moving on. Doing this simple step can make a significant difference in how you attract and retain customers by offering them discounts or special offers. Now that we've enabled coupons, let's head back to the dashboard. This time, look for the Pages option in the menu. This section is where you'll find the page layouts that make up your site. Once inside Pages, locate the Cart page. This is where the coupon box will be displayed, allowing customers to apply their discount codes before finalizing their purchase. When you click on the cart page, you'll notice a new field, labeled as the coupon code, complete with an Apply Coupon button. This is the spot where customers will enter their discount codes. It's now integrated into the cart page seamlessly, providing a straightforward and accessible way for users to apply savings to their orders. And that's it. You've successfully added a coupon box to your cart. This quick enhancement can lead to increased customer satisfaction by providing them the opportunity to save. Plus, as a store owner, you can leverage this feature to promote sales, clear out inventory, or reward loyal customers with special deals. Feel free to explore more customization options within Woocommerce to make the most out of your e-commerce platform. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.